Hi guys, so today I am with Lorraine and she's gonna show me how to make her her famous lemon curd cheesecake. So you wanna say hi, Lorraine?
Hello everybody.
You guys know Lorraine already from like all the food she brought us like over the past months, years almost. But yeah, so today she's gonna show us how to make her famous lemon curd cheesecake, and then here are the ingredients right here. She's gonna tell us exactly like what we need for the cheesecake.
Okay, so for the base, you're going to need ginger nuts and digestives, and you're going to need some butter. Okay, and then for the filling, you've got your cream cheese, you've got your double cream, you've got icing sugar, and you've got your fresh lemons, of course, and finally the pièce de résistance, very good lemon curd.
Nice.
Sicilian, this is really nice.
Yes.
Really nice. Okay. I'm going to make a large cheesecake today so that the ingredients, you can always halve the ingredients of what I'm going to do. So just to give you an idea, this is a large one. All right.
Nice. Okay. So we're about to start the cheesecake. Stay tuned, guys. And then, but yeah, let's make this.
Okay. So I'm putting half a pack of these. I don't know how you work on weights in here, but they're 300 grams. I don't know if that makes any sense. So I'm using about half as a pack. So you get your gingery flavour, but not overload. And then I'm going to use probably another half of the digestives, and this is again a 300 gram pack. So just to give you an idea of the size. Okay. We're going to be bashing them up as well, so that they're just a crumb. Bag. This is the fun bit. You just bash them up. When you're annoyed with your husband or someone's upset you when you're out driving, just talk about it. You can get as aggressive as you like. Coronation Street or EastEnders. So fine crumb.
Nice.
But there's still going to be lumps, which you've got your crumb mix. You need to melt some butter. I would say probably, let me do it later. Probably a third of the butter of the portion of the, but it's a third of the butter of the portion of the, but it's 200 grams. So about a third of it should be enough, but you might find you're going to need more to get that right sort of texture.
And we're just melting it.
Yeah, we're just going to pop it on the stove and just melt it down. Don't let it obviously boil off because it burns the butter. You've got your crumb. You just literally pour the melted butter in. You want to try and get it so it's sticky but not drenched. So it's sort of pulling together. When you push it down, you want it to be sort of sticking together. Chances are I'm going to need to put more butter in there, but I'll just keep going because it's surprising how wet it can go.
It's actually forming pretty good.
Yeah.
The
steak and cheese and, you know, it's like... So we're just going to make the base down until it's really, really tight, which does take a while, but just persevere.
So we have the crust here. Look how nice that is. Beautiful.
500, no, there's about 500 grams.
Okay, 500
Two and a half packs
of cream cheese.
Cream cheese.
Okay, perfect. Is like that, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so we just
by teaspoon. So I would say probably 2, 3, 4 teaspoons. Start with that.
Okay, and then
we're going to just mix it together.
Okay.
And then taste it. And if you feel like it's not quite got the sweetness, then add some more. But I'm just going to have a taste.
Okay.
Could probably do still a bit more.
Yeah.
Not quite sweet enough.
Oh, it's still so good though. Yeah. I love the creaminess of it.
I'm just going to add equivalent of another. So I've done about 6. It's probably about 7 teaspoons, and that should be fine. Yeah. I don't know. Some lemon juice. Again, it's down to taste. I like mine very lemony, so I probably got a couple of dessert spoons in there.
Okay.
Just whip it up again. The fat buster.
The what?
The fat buster. Lots of fat in
Okay.
here. This is for people who don't want to diet. This dessert is very bad for you, but very good. Tastes good. So the whole lot goes in. Whole 300 ml of cream. It's a very rich dessert. This.
As it should.
It should be, yeah.
Yeah.
Until you'll see the texture just going peaks. You're getting peaks, getting. Put all this on there.
It's amazing. I feel like you can just like put this on like bowl, putting bread or something. Like,
Yeah. Could you? Or
Yeah.
decorate a cake with it.
Oh yeah.
Could you?
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. I mean, who lost? Nice.
Do you know? So this is something you should have done while the mix was still in the bowl. Put in 2, 3, 4
5,
spoons,
6.
as much as you like. This is how not to do it, but you know,
I think it's gonna
still
actually pretty
tastes
cool.
good.
Yeah,
Tastes good.
looking like that.
Just don't want to touch the base because
Yeah.
it's wet
Yeah.
now though. That's the only thing.
Looks beautiful.
Hopefully it'll be alright. So you literally just level it off, you know,
Beautiful.
and then back in the fridge for a little while.
Don't even have to get ticked too. It's not pink, right?
So literally you just pour it on. It is quite warm, so once it hits the thing, it hopefully will start to cool down and it'll turn into more of a gel.
It's amazing.
For a little while, I think I should.
Okay.
Just finished.
Nice.
So we're going to cut it.
Yeah.
for the-
Okay guys, so this is the final result of the cheesecake. It was super simple and it looks amazing. So now we're gonna cut a slice and see what's inside.
Okay. Doesn't stick to the sides.
Yeah. Very slowly, yep.
Okay.
Good. Oh my goodness. Perfect.
Okay, voila.
Voila. Beautiful. Oh my goodness. Perfect.
Okay, voila.
Voila. Beautiful.
We share. So I'll cut a piece.
Okay.
Hear the crunch.
Yeah. Beautiful. You just go wide. Oh, beautiful. Oh my goodness. Awesome. Yeah. Wow. Look at that glaze. Absolutely beautiful.
I don't think there was enough butter in there, but it
No,
still tastes good.
it looks amazing.
Now for the taste test.
For the tasting, so this is Lorraine's absolutely amazing.
Now for the taste test.
For the tasting, so this is Lorraine's absolutely amazing lemon curd cheesecake. She showed me how to make it. Now we're gonna try. Amazing, amazing, as always. It's so lemony,
It is, isn't
so
it?
creamy, crunchy. The crust turned out perfectly. I love the thickness of it.
Oh,
Amazing.
so fattening. So good.
All right, Lorraine, thank you so much for showing me how to make your cheesecake. This is awesome. It's super delicious, and I think I will be able to make it by myself next time. So I would have to try, and then you be the judge next time.
Okay.
Yeah. But anyways, thank you so much. And what do you guys think we should do next? What should we do next, guys?
This is the downside, but it's a bit crumbly.
Oh wow.
Ooh.
Beautiful.
Hear the crunch.
tone, right? Oh, beautiful.